Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your password on Steam application using your mobile device. If you want to change your Steam account's password, then follow along till the end. First of all, open up the Steam application on your smartphone and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the top right corner, tap on the question mark icon or the profile picture of yours. This will take you to your profile section, from where you'll need to tap on Account Details. Under Account Details, scroll to Security and Devices from the top menu. Now from the Accounts Security page, scroll down and look for Change Password button and tap on it. On the next page, go ahead and select how you'd like to change your password. There you will be able to see email and account verification code to your provided email address. Go ahead and tap on it. You will then receive a verification code sent to your email inbox. Go ahead and open it up. Once you open up your email, you'll receive an email from Steam support. Open it up and then you'll see a verification code in it. Copy that code, get back to Steam app and paste in the code. Now click Continue. On the next page, you'll be prompted to change your password. Type down your new password in the first field and re-enter it once again in the next one. Make sure that your password includes these criteria popping up underneath. Re-enter the password once again that you just created on the next field. Finally, click on Change Password and your new password has been updated. Next time you log in, make sure to enter the newly updated password. And that's it. Your Steam password is now changed safely. If this video helped, drop a like and subscribe for more up-to-date Steam and tech guides. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.